Ever watched a video and thought, hey, can you find that one thing I'm thinking of? Like, spot the white pigeon that just flew left to right. But here's the catch. Current AI struggles to track objects and understand subtle language clues. That's where a game-changing model called video, MOLMO, steps in. So what's the problem? Most video AI can track objects, but it's like a car with a GPS that only shows you the road ahead. No idea where you've been. They lack the reasoning to connect past and present. Imagine trying to follow a recipe by only seeing the next step. It's messy. Video MOLMO solves this by breaking the task into two smart steps. First, it points, like a detective jotting down clues. The model uses a language AI to pinpoint exact coordinates of the object you're asking about. Then it builds masks. Think of it as drawing a clear outline around that object across every frame. This two-part process makes the AI way better at keeping track of things moving over time. Here's how it works. The model watches a video, but instead of just seeing frames, it thinks about them. It uses a temporal module, like a memory bank, that keeps track of previous frames. If a pigeon moves, the model says, oh, that's the one from last frame. Then, a special tool called SAM2 takes those points and stretches them across the whole video, making sure the masks stay consistent. It's like giving the AI a magnifying glass to spot tiny changes, and a glue stick to keep everything connected. But how do they test this? They built a huge dataset, 72,000 video caption pairs with 100,000 labeled points. Think of it as a treasure map for AI. They also created a tough benchmark called VPOS Bench, testing the model in real-world scenarios, tracking cells, self-driving cars, robots, and more. And the results? Video MOLMO crushed the competition, improving accuracy by over 5% in some cases. This isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a leap toward AI that understands videos the way we do. Imagine asking your phone, highlight the red car that turned right at the intersection, and it does it flawlessly. That's the future video MOLMO is helping build. Let's dig deeper. Video MOLMO's architecture combines a language model with a video understanding module. The language model deciphers queries like, find the horse running around, then maps those instructions to specific pixels. The video module uses a transformer-based temporal encoder to maintain context across frames. This is critical for tasks like tracking a blurred object through motion or distinguishing between similar items in a crowd. Here's the kicker. Video MOLMO crushes tasks that other models struggle with. Need to count overlapping objects in a crowded scene. It's got your back. Spotting a distant car on a highway or a helmet on a biker. No problem. It's like giving a robot X-ray vision for the everyday world. But here's the thing, no model is perfect. Researchers found some quirky glitches. Once, it mistook a bag for a harness because the software had trouble turning a single point into a clear image. Another time, it missed most of a paraglider's lines, fixating on just one. These hiccups aren't failures, they're clues. They show us where robots need to level up. So what does this mean for the future? Imagine a robot assistant in a hospital that knows exactly where to find a patient's medication, or a self-driving car that spots a cyclist dodging traffic. The key is teaching machines to handle complexity with precision. And here's the silver lining. Every mistake is a stepping stone. By studying these flaws, scientists can build smarter, more reliable systems. It's not just about making robots smarter. It's about making them trustworthy in the messy, unpredictable real world. Want to see how it works in action? Hit subscribe, and we'll dive deeper into the science behind this game-changing model. Next time you see a robot in action, remember, it's not just seeing the world. It's learning to understand it, one precise point at a time. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how models like Video MOLMO are built, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's one thing you'd love a robot to understand better? Let's chat.